In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and style a footer form in Webflow. We'll build a clean, on-brand form right inside your site's footer, so visitors can subscribe or reach out from any page. Start by opening the navigator from the top left panel and locating your existing footer section. If your project doesn't have one yet, add a section element and style it as your footer with the background, spacing, and typography that match your site. Keeping your footer consistent now will make the form blend in naturally later. With the footer ready, open the Add panel, go to the Elements tab, find the Forms section, and drag a form block onto the canvas inside your footer. Place it within your footer's container or grid so it lines up with the rest of your content. The form block comes with a wrapper, fields, and a Submit button, which you can customize. Next, add your fields. Use a dedicated email field for newsletters or a text field for names. If you're collecting messages, add a text area. Give every field a clear label and helpful placeholder text so users know exactly what to enter. Toggle required on critical inputs like email, and keep your labels visible for accessibility. Now set up the layout with Flexbox or Grid. Select the form wrapper and choose Flex for a simple horizontal or vertical layout. Use gap controls to space fields evenly, center align them, and enable wrap so long rows break neatly on smaller screens. If you prefer a more structured layout, switch to Grid, define your columns, and place each field where it makes sense. Add a max width to keep the form readable and not too wide on large displays. Style the form so it feels at home in your footer. Add padding to the form container, choose a background color with good contrast, and apply rounded corners for a friendly look. For fields, adjust borders, fill, and focus states so it's obvious when a field is active. Style the Submit button with your brand color, clear text, and a distinct hover state. Make sure error and helper text are legible and consistent with your typography. Finally, configure your form settings. With the form selected, open the Settings panel, give the form a clear name, and rename field IDs logically. Update the success and error messages to be informative and friendly. Confirm which fields are required, review placeholder text, and ensure validation makes sense. Preview your site, try a test submission, and check that the layout adapts well across breakpoints. That's it, your footer form is ready and styled to match your site.